wekholo lenjalo kusek ngicela ngicela endini yami nginentombi yami lapha uncane enduni lena angincenye ingcuza yakhe mina fa yangedelela umdolomo ngimpa imali wazi uthini ngiyagcina uzombonga uhluphe kanjani umfazi lo ngimfuna aphumile futhi la endlini yami la hamba emachobeni ade ngibuza stupid question la uduka ngikwazi lalela uyazi wenzeni lengane le kumanje kunento yakhayo lapho uyazi induna ziyangibu kufike induna lapho bathi yini enziwa umntwana sizula akhela yena emzini kaba yini lo ekhaya wena.
Hi guys, the buhlungus do not pale. Bensendisithi ndiyalala xa ndisithi ku-Facebook left, right and center sana. King Mrs Zulu is currently trending ke alongside wife yakhe ke uNdlunkulu Myeni. Hi guys, akamthuki kanje yana. And ndiyabona into ba abantu abaninzi are currently siding no Mrs Zulu. Khona ke izinto ezininzi ke azithethayo King Mrs Zulu blaming uNdlunkulu Myeni that ungumuntu ongamameliyo, number one. Secondly, ufuna ukwakha izindlu zakhe eziphecelezi kwalapha ku-10 million mansion yakhe, and also ungumuntu nje ongathandwayo ku-Facebook, okhuzwayo, ozithandela ama-DO. It also does sound as though uNdlunkulu Myeni ungumuntu nje ovele nje alahleke ke sana guys, angaziwa into ba uyephi, angaripoti nokuripota ku-King Mrs Zulu. So uyatsho into yokubana wena ndiyakwazi into ba ubhizi nozibanibani, and ingathi ke ngokulo tata abhizi naye ke guys uNdlunkulu Myeni ngubani, nguMasango ocawa kwaShembe. Kodwa hayi ke usisi uvela athi jonga tata, ndicela ukuhamba ngoku ndiye ecaweni, ndifuna ukuyocawa mna. Uthi hayi ku-King Mrs Zulu kulapho ke izinto zihaphena khona, uthi benzana phayana kwakule cawe yakwaShembe. Uthi ke kudala ndiyibona lento into ba the Zulus, they have never been satisfied ngebehavior yakho wena Ndlunkulu Myeni. Kudala ndayikhuza le behavior yakho ku-Facebook, akekho no-one umuntu okuthandayo because of le behavior oyenzayo ke apha. And guys, I'm just going to take 2 comments because ininzi the video was very long, but because of YouTube rules guys anokwazi ukuyifaka yonke, otherwise ndovele ndibe demonetized. Kukhona ke othi, guys, Isilo is voicing out the disrespect he's getting from uNdlunkulu. Inkinga nje yakhe unolimi olumelayo uma ekhuluma and ukwenza under the influence of alcohol, which makes him the person kanti cha uNdlunkulu naye unomthelela. Okay, 2 wrongs can never make it a right, and for her to make that recording and basically I keep it to the media was very low of her. Kodwa ke it is a free world, and I'm gonna take one person's siding with ke uNdlunkulu Myeni. Uthi ke usisi apha, it's a pity abantu bathi it's because of alcohol, but I believe that when drunk usuke ukhuluma into oyijwayele and okade ufuna ukuyikhuluma behind closed doors ziyabuya, and this is proof. So kahle some people are saying maybe kudala enyamezele umuntu wabantu and ukhathele kokunyamezela ke uKing Mrs Zulu, and then lena ke ngoku ayenzayo is her cry for help. But guys, mandike ndive from nina your thoughts. Ndacela maske si engage and then shortly. Good night guys.